what do you do when what you believe and what you do are not in sync? What you're passionate about and what you work on is not matching. What you want to say and what you say is having a gap. Well, if this is what will happen to you, then the outcome will be that you will not be satisfied. This was the situation of one of my clients who met me up last year with the symptoms that he was not enjoying his job, he was dragging himself, every small thing used to irritate him. He used to get angry, he was not able to spend time with his family, in his work things were going beyond his control, and it was like he was work, and after one level he was like, enough is enough, I want to retire from my job. And he had huge career left. It was like he was having hardly 14 years of experience, and he has another 15 years of career left, but he was burnt out. And he met me up and he said, I want help, I want to grow in my career, I want to grow in my life, I have some aspirations but they're not matching with my present work, what do I do? Well, I helped him do a lot of exercises. At present I'll give you 2 exercises. If you do these 2 exercises right now, I can help you, you'll get clarity about your passion. The first exercise I gave him was this: take a timer and turn on 5 minutes into it, and in 5 minutes just write down the statements. What do you believe? And I just exact 5 minutes just start writing. What do I believe in? I believe in this, I believe in this, I believe whatsoever you believe. So he started writing a lot of statements. A couple of statements which connected with me was, he said, I believe I want to create an impact in society. Second statement, he said, I believe I want to live a meaningful life. Third statement which I liked was, I believe I need to be a role model as a father. Fifth statement he wrote was, I believe I need to be a great husband. I believe I need to create something that will make difference in people's life. And I said, amazing. And a lot of other lines he wrote down, but I'm just telling 5-6 lines which connected with my heart. Then the immediate next exercise I told him was, turn on the timer, now take 3 minutes and write down, what do I do every day? I do this, I do this, I do this. So he started writing, I am doing a lot of meetings every day, I am busy in the work every day, I am getting angry with my kids every day, I am not spending time with my wife every day, I am not able to do anything meaningful, I am just busy in my work. And I said, see, right in front of you the results are there. What you believe in and what you do are not matching. And he said, Vijay, hold on. It looks theoretical to me. How do we do it? I have a family to run. I have my EMIs to give. And I cannot quit my job right now, but I cannot grow also. What do I do? I said, hold on. Right now, we have just done one analysis to give you what exactly is the missing link. And then I started working with him. Almost in 6-7 months, I clarified his job profile. Then I worked on his productivity, how to be productive, how to prioritize the most important things in your life. The biggest tragedy in life is when our first things are not first, our second thing becomes first. Stephen Covey said in one of his books, 7 Habits of Highly Effective People, he said, all the problems in life begin when your first things are not first anymore. And that's what exactly was happening. Now, what he believed in, those things should be his priority, whereas what he was working was only a small component of his life which was sustaining his life. And that's what the difference was. And in 6 to 9 months when we started working together, he got crystal clear clarity on what he needs to do, what sort of job profile he needs, and he started changing certain things. And it took some time, but eventually in 9 months, the outcome was this: he got mental peace, he got time for his family because he needed to prioritize it. He started focusing on health and a lot of other things he did. And trust on me, when you are stuck in certain situations of life, it is very difficult to get out of it automatically, because it's like sitting on a chair lifting yourself. When you are in a trap, you need external help. And he was lucky that he took some help, he took coaching, and eventually it worked out. So if you are in this phase of life where you are not growing to your full potential, where you believe something is missing, then let me tell you, do not neglect those feelings. Those feelings are the way God talks to you. Do not neglect them. Take help. If you want my help, if my expertise can help you, drop me a message. I would love to collaborate with you in your growth journey. It was great talking to you. I'll talk to you in my next case study, in my next video. Thank you so much.